This thing really gets going. All right, looks like the scooter is about to be delivered. Here is the box. It just got delivered. I'm excited to take this thing inside and see what is in the box. So it should be the Eahora M1P Electric scooter motorcycle. So let's get it inside where it is warm, and we can start looking into the box. All right, we got the box inside where it's nice and warm. So Eahora sent this to us to test out, and and the kids made me wait until they got home from school. So you guys want to take a look?
Yeah.
So the box is huge. I didn't quite know how big it would be from the pictures online, but the box is huge and it is super heavy. So what do you think? Should we get this thing unboxed and put together?
Yeah. We don't need to move the features.
So here is the inside of the box. So it looks like it comes really nicely packaged. Got some nice foam covering everything. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks awesome. Nice. Let's get everything out of the box. All right, here it is all unboxed. So it looks like we have a front tire to put on. So we got some keys, right? So we got 2 sets of keys, and looks like 2 clickers. That's awesome. You want to open up one of the boxes and see what we got in there? I think you open up from the other way. So we got the charger over here, it looks like. So this is going to be how you charge it. And you plug that into the wall. Awesome. Looks like we got a manual. All right. Ooh, the side mirrors. Cool. All right, want to open up with the last one right there? What do we got in that? Looks like we got a pouch here. Oh, okay, we got an instruction manual. Nice. Oh, a phone mount. Cool. Oh, we got some tools to put it all together. Nice. Awesome. Alrighty, should we get to assembling this bike?
Yeah.
Looks really cool. I like the gray color. I did notice there was, looks like from shipping there was a big crack in that side panel, so I don't know if we can fix that or what, but otherwise, other than that, it looks pretty decent. I like turn signals. Oh yeah, and look, it's cracked on the back as well. And here's the front fender we got to put on as well.
Wait, what?
But everything else looks like it's in pretty good shape. All right, let's get this stuff installed.
Yeah.
All right, just looking in the manual, we should probably get that front tire on. So let's undo those 4 bolts here. Here you go. You want to help me get those off? So, all right, get the front propped up a bit. You can get the long bolt out, unscrew it. And then there's 2 different sizes. There's a longer one and a shorter one. And then just looking at the instructions, the longer one goes onto, there you go, the longer one goes onto this side, and then the shorter one goes onto the other side. So we're going to stick these spacers in there and get this front wheel mounted. So it looks like there's the brake. You got to, well, we're gonna, there you go, there's a spacer into the brake. So we're gonna slide this rotor into that brake and then put this front bolt through this way and attach it like that. All right, we got that front wheel on, we got the nut on. you know, it comes with the tools, so just tighten that down until it's nice and tight. But yeah, it is looking good. I think next is what? Should we do the handlebars?
Yeah.
All right, grab that. I think the bigger one. And then we got to loosen up these 4 bolts right there. That's the clamp that holds the handlebars on. And we could slide those in. You're looking cool on there. All right, let's. We got the handlebars in. I think next we can do the mirrors, and then we can do that front fender. So it looks like the mirrors just, you know, screw in here, 1 in each, and then you can adjust them. So let's get these things installed.
Yeah.
All right, the mirrors are installed. That was really easy. Got these little dust covers on them. And then now I say we're getting close to the end. Let's get that front fender, and then we're gonna put all these screws back in. So the front fender will just slide in probably like this. Yeah, there we go. And you just line up those bolt holes. There's 1 in the back and 2 in the front. All right, you wanna screw these in?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Front fender is installed. Those 6 bolts are in, nice and tight. And then what do you want to do next?
Put them on.
Oh, we got a phone mount over here, so looks like, yeah, that plugs in right there. All right, phone mount is in. Let's try to get this battery connected. So grab the keys, and I think you just undo that lock right there. I think we got to, there we go, pop her out. Nice, so there is the actual battery right there.
That's a big battery.
So yeah, I think we got to connect these things up so that that goes into this hole right here. Let's see. All right, we got that cover on, and there's the charging hole. So I think we're gonna charge it up overnight, so it's all fresh for tomorrow. But yeah, you're looking good on there. You're what, 410?
Yeah.
So I think it's a pretty versatile machine. So 410. Why don't you get me on here? I'm 6'3". See how well I fit on here. So like I said, I'm 6'3", 250, and yeah, this thing's gonna be fun to ride. Why don't you put the key in the ignition and see how it goes. See what happens. Turn the key. No, maybe it needs to be charged. Oh, these work. Why aren't these doing anything? Oh, it turned on. So it looks like there's the LCD displays. Oh, headlight works. And what's over here? Here are the brights. There's the brights, and looks like turn signals. Oh, cool. What is that? What are you doing? Oh, what is that? Ooh, horn. Nice. There's some flashers. So it looks like it has everything it needs for the road. Okay, well, I say we, I'll read the instructions a little more, and then I say we maybe get this out in the sunlight so you can actually see how cool this actually looks. So, all right, we'll catch you in the morning. Here we are in the daylight. It is looking beautiful. That gray color really pops, especially with those red accents on there. I think we should go over some of the features. So it has a 2,000 watt brushless electric motor in the back. And like we talked about, it has that 60 volt, 30 amp hour battery in there. Supposedly it has a 45-mile range on this thing. We can definitely test that out, and a max speed of 37 miles per hour. It has suspension in the front and also in the rear right there. All LED lights and those 2 LCD screens up front. It has those 3 settings for different speeds we can definitely test out. You can switch those right there. Hydraulic disc brakes in the front and the back. The wheels, 12-inch aluminum, and this beautiful fat leather seat right there. It's is really comfortable already from just sitting on it inside. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave a link in the description below. So far, it's a really cool bike, definitely a head turner. So check that out below if you're interested. But I think enough of the talking. Let's get this thing on the road for its first ride. Let me grab my helmet and we can hit the road. All right, let's get this thing fired up. So you just turn the key, LCDs come on. So that one is your voltage for your battery, and then that one, of course, is the speedometer. 0 miles on that thing. And then you also have to have the kickstand up, which I found out. And then you can give her gas. Ready? Oh yeah, there she goes. Let's go. Yeah, let's try mode 2. See how she moves. Ooh. Nice, up to 18 already. 28. Holy cow, this thing moves. Yeah, suspension feels nice. Let's test out the brakes up here. Alright, yeah. It is stopping good. You know, I know this video is getting a bit long, so let's put the kickstand down. So this is it's gonna be a fun bike to do a review on. I'm gonna do a part 2 so I can fully dive into all the features and stuff on this. So stay tuned and see you in part 2.